welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I have an unboxing for you today. This item I ordered online from Hermes. Last month when I went to the Hermes store to pick up some item, and I saw this type of item, but they don't have the color that I want. And a few days ago when I went to Hermes store website, this item will pop up. Then I place order right away because I know if I don't do it, and I cannot get it later. This is the package. Outside they have a plastic bag, but I already took it up because they have all my personal information. And let's open together. I'm so excited. I can share this one with you. Okay. This is the box. They have a Hermes picture in there. In this package, I ordered 2 items. One of them. This is the lipstick that they just came out for the limited edition. They have 2, but I only got 1 because another one is not the color that I like. And this is the item that is very excited. Voila! Let me put this box away. Okay, let's open together. Okay, this is the receipt. Voila! This is the Click H16. And you know one thing about the Hermes, I love Hermes, but I don't understand, like every luxury item like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and everything, you name it, they always have a dust bag for the small leather goods. This they consider small leather goods, but this they have a dust bag for the strap, but they don't have the dust bag for the back. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't see any dust bag for this one. Yeah, there are no dust bag. But they have dust bag for the strap. And even you get the wallet or any small item like small leather goods, they don't include the dust bag for your item. But their product is very expensive. But I don't understand why they don't have the dust bag for the small leather goods. When you get the bag, even when I get the Evelyn 16, that's the tiny little one, they have a dust bag for the bag and also the dust bag for the strap. But this one is this is retail for $2,750, and it costs more than Evelyn, but this one doesn't have a dust bag for the bag. And let me put it away. This is a receipt, and this is like when you push it down, and this is what look like a wallet, but there are wallet on the chains like WOC and Chanel, and they have 2 pockets on each side, a total of 4. 1 pocket on the back and 1 pocket in the front. And this is in I believe they call my rose leather, not the Togo leather. This is the Togo leather. I have this Togo leather. It's like more durable and more stiff than this. This is very soft leather. And let me put the, I think when I go to the store, when they when they took out the bag, I think they have a dust bag for this one, for the bag also. But how come they don't come with the dust bag on this one? And see, this one, they have a hole in here. You slide in and push it down. And also on this side. I don't know if you have this bag and when you order it, it comes with the dust bag. Can you let me know? Is it they missing, or because that's how it is? Because I remember when I see the bag at the store, and when they show me, my essay, she took it out from the dust bag. But this one doesn't have the dust bag. Okay, this is right here. They have a Hermes Paris stamp right here. And I don't know where the number, oh, it's right in here. The number, they stamp the number right here. It's hard to see. I don't know, you can see it. Okay, they just like engrave, but in the letter, on the letter. And what else I can show you? Okay. And this is let's show you the measurement. The height for this is around 6 inches or 15 centimeter. For the width, for the length, and it's a 7 inch. And the width is around 1 inch. And the strap around 20 inches. And I have the wallet on chains here from Chanel. I will show you the comparison, how big is the between the Hermès Click 16 and Chanel wallet on chain. You see the width for the Chanel is bigger, wider than the Hermès. The length is Chanel is a little bit longer, and the height is Hermès is higher, a little bit taller than Chanel. Inside, Chanel have a total 6 card slot, 1 zip pocket in the front, and 1 pocket in the front, and another pocket right here. Here on the back, on the way down, really deep pocket. But the Hermès is only have four card slot. Only 4 card slot. 1 pocket in the back, 1 pocket in the front, no zip pocket. And let me put the stuff in there for you and show you how much stuff can fit. I have my wallet here. This is Hermès zippy silky compact wallet. It fit perfectly. But if I use this, I don't need to have this, because this is the wallet. Then let me put the card in there to show you. You can put 2 cards in 1 slot, no problem. Let me try see if 3 fit. Yeah, even 3 card is still like very roomy, easy to take in and out, no problem. We put this one in there. Let's see. And let me put one more in there. Yep. I put 2 in each slot, and on the back I put the cash. Cash you have to fold it in half. The pocket is very deep. You can put extra card in there, no problem. And I have my pen. This is the pen from Stephanie, and it's really small pen. I love this one. It fits in all my small bags. Usually I keep in the. They come with a dust bag. I keep in here in case if the like summer is the weather is hot, then the ink can leak it out. That's why I put in here just in case it won't damage my bag. I always carry my pen. I have my tiger ball because I have my little girl, and this is very good for the mosquito bite. When she got the mosquito bite, I just put this on, then it's no itchy, then it won't damage her skin. And I have my pill. Let's see, the lip balm, but I already use it, and I use for Tylenol for the medicine. And I have my Hermès lip gloss. This is the lip gloss, and I put it in here. See, and I have my key. This is a key clay from Louis Vuitton. I can put it in like this. It's tall enough. So I can put it in here and let the key hang outside, and yeah, that's it. Then it still have more room for my phone because my phone I'm video right now, so I cannot put in here. And yeah, that's it in my wallet. And see, and I love this one. This one is the strap is not very long. Is I'm not really tall. I'm really petite, only 5'1", and this one fit perfectly. When I tried at the store with another color, and it's hit right in at my hip. And that is one item, and this is another item. I saw it online when they released it, and this is the limited, the one just came out, and this is the one, and this they call rose ombre, and this is see very neutral color. You see that? I hope is the light is show the true color. It's very light because another one is have a green lime color like this one, but the color of the lipstick is more like orange. That's why I didn't get it. And this is the, and they have the number. Hopefully they have number in here. It's right here. Yeah, and this is retail for $72. It's more expensive than the other one. And they come with the orange box like that, and even the lipstick they have the dust bag. But I just wonder how come this one doesn't have a dust bag. Maybe I will call them and check it out. yeah, that's it for today. I'm really excited to have this one in my collection. And how you think about this one? Because the reason I don't use this one much because the strap is kind of long for me. This strap, I can show you the comparison between this and the Chanel strap. See this? You know, the Chanel strap is a little bit longer, almost like 2 inches longer than the Hermes, and Chanel is very long for me. That's why I didn't use much. Even I like Chanel wallet on chains because they have more room, have more card slot and more room for me. But I didn't use much because it's too long, and I tried to short it up a little bit, but when I short it, then it's like, I don't know, I don't want to damage the leather on the both sides. That's why I didn't use much. And when I saw this one, and I said, oh, this one is perfect. I don't carry much essential every day. That's all I have every day in my bag, and I think that's fit perfectly for me. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in it, to get this one, this called Click 16 wallet. Yeah, wallets under they're at small leather good, and this retail for $2,750 before tax. You have to pay tax depend where you live, and that's it. And I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like, you think this useful and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will much appreciate it. If you already subscribed, thank you so much, and I hope all of you and your loved one doing well and have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye. See you in next video.